world of fashion, few names carry the weight, legacy, and elegance of Giorgio Armani. A true icon, a visionary designer, a pioneer who redefined modern style, not just in Italy but across the globe, has left us at the age of 91. Armani had been ailing for the last many months, and his death was confirmed by this statement. With infinite sorrow, the Armani Group announces the passing of its creator, founder, and tireless driving force, Giorgio Armani. Known as Re Giorgio, King Giorgio, the designer was known for overseeing every detail of his collection and every aspect of his business, from advertising to fixing models' hair as they head out onto the runway. From the very start, decades ago when he launched Giorgio Armani on July 24, 1975. Beyond fashion, Armani built a lifestyle empire: fragrance, accessories, furniture, and hotels. From designing Richard Gere's outfits in American Gigolo to the Oscars red carpet, Armani became the gold standard of sophistication: clean lines, neutral tones, and effortless elegance. His connection with India also ran deep. After visiting in 1994, Armani was inspired by Indian culture. He later launched a capsule collection influenced by Indian design. And the bond wasn't one-sided. Indian icons like Amitabh Bachchan, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, Sonam Kapoor Ahuja, and Kartik Aaryan often graced global events wearing Armani creations. But beyond the glamour, Giorgio Armani stood for values: sustainability, dignity in design, and quiet strength. Even at the height of his fame, he remained grounded, focused, and fiercely independent. A man of few words, but immense vision, Giorgio Armani leaves behind not just a brand, but a legacy. His influence spans generations, continents, and cultures. Now, the Armani empire, which is worth around $27 billion, looks at the future and to a new leader who will carry the torch forward. A funeral chamber will be set up on Saturday and Sunday in Milan for his fans to pay tribute, followed by a private funeral. With Sujata Sharda, Bureau Report, India Today.